Hi and welcome to the WSREC tutorial on how to join a Zoom meeting. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to join a Zoom meeting as a guest so you don't have to sign in or register. So let's begin. Firstly, if you're using an iPad, an iPhone or an Android tablet or an Android phone, you'll have to download the app, the Zoom app. If you're using a laptop or computer, you can just visit the website on your browser, and that is www.zoom.us, and that means you don't have to download the software. You can do it through the website. If you're using an Android phone such as a Samsung, an LG or a Sony phone, you'd have to download the app via the Play Store. But if you're using an iPad or an iPhone, you'd have to download the Zoom app via the App Store. But because I'm using an Android phone, I'll be going on to the Play Store. So firstly, to get to the Play Store, all you have to do is flick your screen up, and this will take you to your main menu where all your apps are kept. So you'd either swipe left or right till you found the Play Store app. If you still can't find it, all you do is, at the top of the screen where it says search, you tap that with your finger and type in Play Store, and it should come up. For me, I can see it's on the bottom of my screen, so I'm just going to click on Play Store right now with my finger. When you do that, it should take you to something that looks like this. And this is where you can download all your apps and games, etc. But for me, I'm going to look for the Zoom app. And to do that, at the top of the screen it should say search for apps and games. And where it says that, you type in there the Zoom. So I'm just typing Zoom right now. And there it is, it comes up, the first one. So I'm just going to click on the first one. And it should take me to something that looks like this. And it should say Zoom Cloud Meeting, which is the correct one. So all you do is you click install, and all that doing is downloading it onto your phone. And once it's downloading, you can just take it off by pressing the middle button on the bottom of your screen, which takes you back to your home screen that looks like this. And to find Zoom, all you do again is flick your screen up. Again, you just go left or right till you found the Zoom. And I think it is, if I can find it correctly, it should be in alphabetical order. So there it is, it's on the bottom of my screen, the last app, because it said. So I'm just going to click on that, Zoom. It should look like this, where it says start a meeting, start or join a video meeting on the go. If you want to join in as a guest, all you'd have to do is click join a meeting, which is in the blue bar. So all I'm going to do with my fingers, touch join a meeting. Once I've done that, it should take me to a screen that looks like this, where it says join a meeting, and it's asking for a meeting ID number. And to find that, you'd have to check how the individual has sent you the Zoom meeting details. So it can either be by email, text message or WhatsApp. If you can't find it, you just have to call the person who created the Zoom meeting and ask for the meeting ID. I'm just going to check my emails because I know that it was sent by my email. So all I'm doing is going back and I'm going into Gmail. So I'm clicking on my Gmail and it's taking me to something that looks like this, where it says topic tutorial time, which is May 27th 2020 at 3:30 PM London time. And there's a link, and it will tell you how to download the app or how to do it on the browser. All we need to know is what the ID number is, and the meeting ID number is at the bottom of the screen where it says 84168934637. So we just need to type in those codes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it with my finger, and now you see it's highlighted. All I'm going to do is copy, which I've done, and I'm going to go back by pressing the middle button. That's taking me back, and I'm going to go back onto the Zoom app. Again, I'm just going in my main menu, swiping right to find Zoom. I'm clicking on a Zoom app, and all I'm doing is pressing finger down on meeting ID, and should tell me to paste, which it now does. So I'm just going to click paste, and now it says join meeting. But where it says join with a personal link name, and it says Galaxy S9, which is this phone, I'm going to change that to my name. And you can change it either to your name, your full name, or your nickname. It depends how comfortable you are. So I'm just going to type in Mo. Once I've done that, it will say join meeting, but underneath that it says do not connect to audio or turn off my video. So all that means is, once you join in, your video won't appear and your audio won't appear, and all that means is you just see the other people or the other person who's doing that meeting. But if you want to be seen by the video and be heard by sound, you just leave these white. If you'd want to turn off your video, all you do is you just click on the white circle and it will turn blue, which means you've turned that off. But we're fine with that. We're going to leave it all blank and all white. So now I'm going to click join meeting, which I've done. And now it's asking for a password. And all you'd have to do is enter the password. And to find the password again, you would just check that email, the text message or the WhatsApp message. And underneath the ID it says a password, and the password was test. So I'm just going to type in test, which it has now done. Once you've entered the password, it should take you to a section that looks like this. And it says to use Zoom you need to agree to the terms of the service and privacy policies. All you do is you click agree, and that means you'd be able to use the Zoom app. So I'm just going to click agree with my finger, like so. And it should take you to this next section which says please allow Zoom access permission. And all that's asking is if Zoom can access your microphone and camera and storage. It just needs to access this so people in the Zoom meeting can hear you and can see you. But only though people in that Zoom meeting can hear you or see you, no one else. So once you're happy with that, all you do is you click got it, which I'm going to do right now. Now again it's going to ask you if Zoom can take pictures and record video. Again you just click allow, which I'm going to do with my finger. And now it should give you a preview video of yourself, which looks like this. If you're happy with your appearance and what you look like, all you do is join with video. I do apologise with my scruffy beard. That's what happens in lockdown. So again, once you're happy with that, all you do is you click join with video, which I'm going to do, and that means you'll be joining in with the Zoom meeting. Once you've clicked on join meeting, some more pop-up should appear. All you do is you click accept. And once you've clicked accept, it should take you to a screen that looks like this. You probably noticed on the left-hand corner of your device, a white box has appeared. And in that white box, it's asking you if your device can be used for audio. All you do is you click on that using your finger, and that means you've accepted that. Now I'm going to explain some of the icons on the bottom and the top of the screen. You probably noticed on the left-hand corner, there's a mic icon or a microphone, and it says mute underneath. If you click on that, all that's doing is muting you in the conversation, so that means no one will be able to hear you in the conversation or in that meeting. But you can still hear other people if they're speaking and if they've not been muted. If you click on it again with your finger, all you're doing is unmuting yourself so people can hear you in the conversation again. Next to that, there's the video icon which says stop video. If you click on that, that's you stopping the video camera. So you're taking the video camera off your phone. So that means no one will be able to see you in the conversation, but you'll still be able to see other people if they've got the video camera on. If you click on it again, that means you're putting the video camera so people can see you. If any of the icons disappear, all you do is with your finger as you touch the screen, like so, and the icons will appear again. You probably noticed on the right hand corner it says end, and yours it might say leave. If you click on that, that's you leaving or ending the meeting. Hopefully this has helped you to use Zoom. If you need any more support or help, you can contact WSREC. Thanks for listening.